Welcome to Ball of Energy. In this activity, you're going to go outside and investigate the energy of a ball as you throw it up into the air. So let's look at some of the materials. You need your activity sheet, has a data table and all the equations that you're going to use. Since you're going outside, it helps you have a clipboard to put it on. For the ball, use something that's relatively soft. Tennis balls work great. You're also going to have to measure the mass of that ball. You also need a calculator and a stopwatch. When you go outside with the stopwatch, you're going to measure the total time that that ball is in the air, from the second it leaves your hand to the second it touches the ground. Using that total time, you're going to cut that in half and have the time up and the time down. They're going to be equal. Just with half of that time, you'll be able to calculate how high the ball went, its energy levels, and its crashing speed. So there's a lot of physics in this activity, a lot to learn about energy. Have fun.